Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install and create Next.js app on Windows. First of all, you have to download Node.js. So just type cmd and check that you have installed Node.js or not. Type here node ---- version. Here you can see I have already Node.js. So if you don't have this, you have to download Node.js at first. Type Node.js in the browser and you will find this. Click on the first link and click here get node.js. Click here windows installer.msi and it will actually start downloading. When it will be downloaded, you have to install it. So install it in C drive, I mean your Windows installation drive. You can install it anywhere. After that, you have to set environment variable. If you install it and if you don't set environment variable, you cannot actually access Node.js globally like this. So you have to set environment variable. How? Just type here env and hit enter, or just select here open. You will find something like this. Click here environment variables. Select the path under system variables. Don't go for the path under user variables, go for the system variables. Okay, path under system variables, click here edit, and here you have to add the Node.js. Here you can see I have already added it. If it is not, you have to go to the Windows installation drive where you have installed Node.js. Just go there, double click on it, go to the program files and Node.js. Just click here address bar, copy it and go in the edit environment variable, click here new, add it. Press OK, then OK. I'm going to delete this because I have already added this. Here you can see. Just click here OK, then OK, fine. Now if you go to the CMD once again, you have to remove it. Okay, you have to close it and once again you have to open CMD. Now if you type here node ---- you will find something like this. And if your version is 23, you will actually show here, I mean it will show here 23, I mean which version you have actually installed, it will show here. Now we have successfully installed Node.js. Now we have to go for the Next.js. Go to the browser and type Next.js, hit enter, click here first link, scroll a little bit down, click here get started, click here installation in the left side. Here you can see, click installation. Okay, after that go a little bit down, I mean scroll a little bit down, and here you will find some option to create project, to create new Next.js app named my app. So basically these are the command you have to give here. If you want to do it with CLI, I mean command prompt, you have to add it like this. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to open a command prompt cmd, but I will suggest you to directly go to any of the drive in your PC. In this case I have only one drive, C drive. You may have multiple drive, so go to that drive or maybe create a folder in anywhere to keep your file or project separate. I'm going to create a folder here. I'm going to say here next folder. So this is my project folder. I will go inside it and here I'm going to open command prompt. So I will type here cmd in the address bar and I will hit enter. It will open command prompt for me. Now I will copy this command. Here you can see create with CLI command line interface. So I will go here and I will paste it by click on the I mean right button of your mouse. So right click on it and it will be paste. So npx create next app latest, and now we have to give the project name. Let's say I will say my next app. Let's say next dash or colon, sorry, hyphen, then app. Hit enter and it will create my project, and that is called my next app. Now create next app. Okay, so we'll actually say here y for the yes confirmation. Here you go. Now we will actually go for the recommended settings, so we will actually select yes. But if you don't want to go, so you can actually check any of the option through your keyboard arrow key button. So just go with the up arrow or down arrow and select which one you want to select. I'm going with the first one. Yes, use recommended defaults. So hit enter. Here you can see it's working. Fine, successfully create the project. Now we have to go to the project. So you can go to your project by typing here cd to change the directory, and then your directory or project name, and that is my hyphen next hyphen app, and hit enter. Now here you can see we are in our project directory. Okay, now let's check what we have to do. Here you can see we have to actually go to this our directory, right? And then we have to say here npm run dev. Okay, just go there and say npm run dev, hit enter, and it will actually run developer server. And here you can see network this and local this. So we can actually type anyone. So this number is basically represent localhost. So or this number will be represented by localhost. It's not a big deal. Just select any of them and hit enter to copy this, and go to the browser and Ctrl+V to paste this and hit enter. And now we can access our project, and here we go. This is our project. So guys, that's it. This is our project. I hope you understand. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.